Have you ever felt frustrated that you haven't achieved your ultimate success? Well, it's actually not your fault. For you to finally experience the success that you deserve, you must upgrade your thinking. We will give you exclusive access to successful people in business and life. We will break down their success formula into simple steps that you could follow to get you from where you are to where you want to be. My name's Andrew Cameron, and this is Interviews with Experts. Really excited to speak to him. He's very inspiring, and one of the things what attracted me to him was just the way he came across and his wealth of knowledge. First thing is actually, what was life like before you discovered it, and what made you discover Forex?
Actually, my education is a BSc computer. I am a computer science guy.
Okay.
And yeah, and after that I did animation.
Yes.
For almost 2 to 3 years.
Okay.
And so I was almost fascinated towards creativity.
Yes.
And new technology, new challenges.
Mm-hmm.
Then I worked for IT company for around 2 years.
Okay.
For the same company, I went abroad for one project.
Yes.
And during that project, during that journey, I came across the financial market. Yes. Because I never attracted towards the stock markets.
Fair enough. Okay.
Because from the childhood, I was being taught that stock market is kind of a gambling thing.
Oh, okay.
It is being manipulated and blah blah blah. Yeah. So but when I came to know about the international financial markets, especially forex market, what attracted me or what fascinated me is the kind of knowledge it provides you, or on a day-to-day basis.
Yeah, so you're always learning.
Because money is a byproduct of a financial market.
Yes.
The more you learn, the more money will be attracted towards you.
Yeah.
So the biggest challenge was when you work in a forex market, right from east to west, all currencies get involved, all commodities get involved, and it helps you to learn the economy, the politics, the analysis of all the countries, and it keeps you updated on a day-to-day basis. So market tries to teach you on every day, every hour. So this is what fascinated me, and this is what challenged me, because I love challenges from the very beginning.
Yeah.
And so I got driven towards the forex market, and I decided it's okay, let's leave the job and let's enter into the forex market. Let's gain the knowledge first. I never knew that how much money I'm going to make in the forex market, or how much success I will achieve.
Yeah.
All I wanted to do was to gain as much as knowledge possible by that time in 2008-9.
Yeah.
And by around that time in India, especially when I went back to India after completing my project for that IT company, I tried to explore some online courses.
Yeah.
I tried to find some mentors, but all those courses and all those tutors were so expensive for me.
Yeah.
So I tried to study all the things on my behalf only, and I tried to develop some self-study materials and everything. I tried to explore as much as at my end only. It took me around 2 to 3 years
Yeah.
because it was not at all easy. Internet was not that much accessible
Yeah.
by that time, and fortunately, I came into contact with some nice people as well from the financial industry, and they helped me uh, to show the right path. And in those 2 to 3 years, I developed some strategies as well. Around 54 strategies I have created. And
So make sure you subscribe so you don't delay your success.